Silverwood Colliery, one of British coal's millionaires, producing over 1 million tonnes of top-quality coal a year. But Silverwood is more than just a cog in the great machine that is British coal. It's part of a community. Situated in a wood in South Yorkshire's Dearne Valley, some 5 kilometres east of Rotherham, Silverwood has a proud past and a bright future. And that's good news both for the people who work here and those who live nearby. Silverwood pumps up to £400,000 into the local community each and every week and provides security for the 970-strong workforce and their families. Silverwood is the home of quality. Hammering home the quality message is a sure way to continually improve the pit's performance. And that doesn't just mean providing a quality product. It means a quality environment, quality machinery, and a quality performance from the people who operate that machinery. And it starts by getting things right first time, on time, every time. A successful pit depends on quality planning. Surveyors provide the detailed information which management and planning teams use to make crucial decisions for the pit's future. Long term, they decide the most efficient way to exploit Silverwood's extensive coal reserves. Faces, developments, transport arrangements, everything is planned in great detail to ensure the pit can meet its future commitments. And good planning doesn't end there. The provision of supplies when and where they're needed is vital if Silverwood is to work efficiently, and costly delays are to be avoided. A 24-hour stock of vital supplies is kept underground at all times, and a week's supply of vital spares and equipment is kept on the pit's surface. The quality theme extends to machinery, because quality planning relies on first-class plant to make sure those plans are successfully brought to fruition. Silverwood operates 3 heavy-duty coal faces, each one equipped with up to £7 million worth of mining hardware. Shearers, AFCs, supports, they're all designed to operate efficiently and reliably under arduous conditions. Drivages are equally important because they represent the pit's future. Whether it's cutting arterial roadways or preparing new panels of coal, headings must be completed on schedule to ensure there are no gaps in face production. But it's not just about speed, it's about quality too. A quality job is vital, and that starts with setting the arch on the centre line and extends to making sure the service installations allow the correct roadway clearance. Robust heavy-duty road headers are used to make sure those drivage targets can be met safely and on time. But to work efficiently, they must be properly maintained, and that's why routine condition monitoring is carried out to keep the wheels of the industry turning. Silverwood employs the latest techniques to diagnose potential faults before they lead to expensive breakdowns. And investment in quality doesn't end at the cutting end of the business. Getting men in and out of the pit is equally important in order to maximize machine available time. And that's why at Silverwood they've invested in a high-speed rope mail train. Installed in 1989, the train is radio-controlled from the driver's cab. The power is provided by 2 300-horsepower motors, enabling it to carry a maximum load of 124 men at speeds up to 20 miles per hour, making it the fastest rope mail in the country. Not only is it vital to get men in quickly, it's just as important to get coal to the surface quickly and efficiently. That means a reliable infrastructure consisting of modern conveyor belts, well planned and well maintained. Those belts must be of the highest standard because they're also used by men to travel safely and quickly out of the pit at the end of their shift. And there's another key element in the pit's infrastructure, the winder. At Silverwood, they have one of the most modern winders to be found in a British coal mine. The East Pit winder is capable of handling 680 tonnes of run-of-the-mine material every hour. This state-of-the-art system operates automatically in response to signals from the skip plant and, thanks to its 3,000 kilowatt motor, is capable of lifting each skip at the rate of 45 feet per second. The emphasis on quality doesn't stop at coal cutting and handling. Quality equipment is just as important on the pit's surface, and that's why Silverwood has installed a new control room to automatically monitor what's happening underground. This new facility boasts a colliery information system which records and details causes of underground delays. The information the system provides can then be used to eliminate future problems. Regular delay meetings use the CIS reports to design out delays and so increase the amount of time machines are available to cut coal. That ultimately leads to more coal and more money in miners' pockets. People are the real key to a successful pit. Quality people doing a quality job and pulling together as a team will see that Silverwood Colliery has a successful future. Underground, every man depends on the next to do his job safely and well. It's only through first-class teamwork that this machinery can be used to its full potential. Give a quality performance, pull together, and potential becomes reality. It's the same on the surface, because those men working underground need essential support to perform efficiently. Stores and stockyard staff, for example, must see that supplies are moved underground when they're needed, because a breakdown in the provision of supplies could lead to a costly and unnecessary delay. That means getting it right first time, on time, every time. Similarly, the men in the colliery's workshops have a valuable role to play. They must do quality work if the pit is to run smoothly. To ensure that quality work is possible, Silverwood uses the latest training aids to see that skills can be constantly updated. The pit is one of several pioneering open learning techniques, so that men can acquire new skills as and when they're needed. And pulling all that talent together is the pit's consultative committee. Here, each section is made aware of the needs and problems of others. Good communications are essential if the pit is to run smoothly and efficiently. Producing quality coal, that's the aim of everyone at Silverwood, because by producing good quality coal, the pit will remain a supplier of choice to the power stations of National Power and PowerGen. Silverwood has a head start because its coal is of a good quality, the kind the electricity generators like. That doesn't mean to say it emerges into the daylight in perfect condition. It needs preparation and constant testing to make sure it meets the demanding requirements of the electricity companies. Only when those requirements have been met is the coal automatically dispatched via a rapid loading bunker into British Rail liner trains, which take it to the nation's power stations. Quality coal at the right price, a price capable of beating off competition from imported coal and other fossil fuel. That's what it's all about. But the responsibility for achieving that goal doesn't rest with the underground men and washery workers alone. Everyone at Silverwood is part of one big team, and only if every member of that team pulls together will Silverwood be a safe and successful place to work. Whether a secretary or a shearer driver, a lamproom attendant or a wages clerk, a deputy or a medical attendant, a canteen worker or a baths attendant, everyone has a part to play to keep Silverwood on the right track. Get things right first time, on time, every time, and give a quality performance, and National Power and PowerGen will want to come back to Silverwood again and again, because they'll know Silverwood can be trusted. That's the only way to secure the pit's future, and the future of the community to which it belongs. Silverwood has the people to produce the right results. Its workforce is its greatest asset. Everyone is skilled and highly trained, and those skills can be constantly updated to meet the needs of a changing industry. It's up to each and every individual to give of their best. It's up to everyone to give a quality performance. By doing that, Silverwood will gain a reputation as the home of quality.